Hello, my name is Peter, and in this Amherst alarm video tutorial, we will be showing you how to bypass a zone on your 832 or 1832 ICON keypad. Bypassing is simply when you have a zone in fault and you are looking to arm your system. You can also bypass multiple zones at a time if you choose to. To bypass a zone or multiple zones on this keypad, you are simply going to open the door, expose the keypad, you're going to hit the star button, the number 1, type in the 2-digit zone number you would like to bypass. Then you will see a blinking bypass icon. You will hit the pound symbol twice to exit out of bypass mode. You will see that that icon stays in the top right-hand corner. That is normal. And then in regards to bypassing, it will only last one arming period. So when you disarm your system next, it will no longer be there. So if you have any further questions regarding bypassing, give us a call over here at 716-632-4600.